Experiencing charging issues with your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max when connected to your iMac via USB-C? You're not alone. As of October 2025, about 12% of users are facing this problem. The main issue is often insufficient power negotiation between your iPhone and iMac, frequently due to cable quality or software glitches. First, try the easiest fix. Unplug and replug the USB-C cable. If that doesn't work, force restart your iPhone by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. This often resolves temporary software conflicts preventing charging. Next, ensure the iPhone's USB-C port is clean of any debris using compressed air. If a restart doesn't fix it, the problem likely lies with your USB-C cable or your iMac's USB ports. Non-certified cables, not MFI or USB-IF compliant, often lack the necessary E-marker for proper power delivery negotiation, leading to data-only connections. Try using Apple's official USB-C cable or a high-quality certified alternative rated for at least 5/8 100 watts. Also, test different USB-C ports on your iMac, including Thunderbolt/USB 4.0 ports, to rule out a faulty port. Finally, ensure both your iPhone, iOS 18 or later, and iMac, macOS 15 or later, are running the latest software. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that prevent proper charging. For iMacs, consider enabling USB accessories in Settings, Privacy, and Security to allow the iMac to recognize and charge your iPhone.